In front of me is OPPO RENO12 FS, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Safety and Emergency. Then tap on Emergency Contacts. Tap on Add Emergency Contact and tap on the one that you wish to set up. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. Make sure that this switcher is blue next to Show Info when locked for this list to be visible on your locked screen. If you want to delete one of those contacts, click on Remove button next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!